Hello, welcome to another episode, and today the main attraction is f2.8 G Master from Sony, and it's mounted on a Sony A7IV. It might be quite echoey, but we've been lucky and we've been allowed here on the 4th floor of the hotel to take the photo from top to down of that amazing staircase and the floors of the hotel. Let me know in the comment section how do you like the photos, and I also took the photo and short video for the DJ who was playing over there. Very nice. We're on the MeetUp just now, and I'm doing a short, maybe not review, but just a test of the Sony lens, and I will publish a couple of photos as well. So let me know in the comment sections, what do you think, how it performs. I think that this lens is absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. That's today's meetup done. Hope you've enjoyed a really short video showcasing a photo taken with Sony 12-24 f2.8 G Master lens. I took deliberately really wide photos so whoever is considering that kind of lens can see the distortions on the edges. And also I hope that you like the photos. Remember to drop a like if you like the video. If you have any comments and questions or anything about this lens, just drop it in the comment section down below. What else? Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and hit the bell notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. And next week there's also a meetup in the Meadows in Edinburgh, some kind of festival. If we have time, we're probably gonna be there. So I'll take a different lens, I'll do a different video showcasing a different lens. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!
Keep dancing with the devil, baby, there's a lot of